We're back in the kitchen! Making no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. But with no pumpkin.
Yes! Baby food pumpkin.
With apple and sweet corn. Huh. Ready!
Okay, ingredients.
Ingredients, okay.
Excited?
Yeah.
We need cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
We need milk.
Milk.
We need sugar.
Sugar.
Cool Whip or dollop cream.
Ha!
Off brand. We need shortbread. Yes. We need vanilla pudding.
Not easy to find in the supermarket.
And we need pumpkin puree.
Oh, we had this brilliant idea. And we decided to go with pumpkin, apple, and sweet corn baby food.
Ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Instruction number 1. In a small mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, milk, and sugar. Mix until smooth. Wait, you can't cut it? Thing.
This is actually satisfying.
That's nice.
You're already a pro. Yeah.
Am I?
Yeah, I think you really developed your skills after the macaron video.
I've been practicing.
I knew it.
The dollop cream is coming in.
Ah, so
They
there you
have
go.
to fold the dollop cream with this.
But is this smooth enough?
Yes. Wow, that's a lot of.
I can see us succeeding at this already.
Then we fold it. Spread this mixture evenly and carefully onto the bottom of the crust. So now I have to make the crust.
How do you make the crust?
We're just going to squish crackers and that's the crust.
It didn't say anything about that. If anything goes wrong, it was a recipe. It wasn't us.
Yes.
Apparently the tray is too big.
It is big. It's huge.
No, we don't have enough shortbread. Stop it. Look, Mom, I can cook.
Wow.
It looks beautiful. It does look beautiful.
We're actually getting somewhere. It's better than what the macarons look like.
Oh no, these look promising. Looks promising.
And we smooth it out. Large bowl, combine the vanilla pudding, mix 1 cup of milk, pumpkin, and spices. Whisk until smooth.
Oh, it does look like pumpkin puree.
It's beautiful.
Yay! I'm so excited about this.
This is the cheesecake. We did it. We did it.
Yay! We did it! Okay, so what do we need to do now?
Refrigerating for 2 to 3 hours. And then it is ready to eat. I love it.
I love it too. And it really smells good.
Baby food. The secret is baby food.
Okay, open the fridge.
3 hours later.
And then this.
Wait.
This right here is our reality. God, this is gonna taste weird. My emergency water. Oh wait.
I have an emergency water.
Okay. This is really good.
Something tastes really, really good. I don't know what.
I'm eating more. Why is it so good?
I don't know. This is so weird.
20 minutes later.
We're gonna have to finish it.
Oh well, what a shame.
For the sake of
The video, we have to finish the whole thing.
Detail.
So, I finished it all. Cheers! Subscribe to our channel.
yeah.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please.
Subscribe to our channel.
Please.
Subscribe to our channel.
Hope you like the video.
And stay tuned for more.
Yeah. Bye.
Electric us out.